to Himalayan University. Here we have very qualified faculties. They are having PhDs, masters from very reputed institutions throughout the country.
Civil engineering gave me a solid foundation in problem solving for real world challenges.
In civil engineering department at 𝐂𝐢𝐯𝐢, we used to offer diploma in civil engineering, Bachelor of Technology in civil engineering, as well as M.Tech in structural engineering, and now we have even started PhD in civil engineering.
This field made me more creative and analytical thinker in solving practical problems.
Here we have well-established lab where we can test concrete, soil. We can even study the motion of fluid.
It has taught me how to build both structure and the confidence to make a difference.
We have UTM, Universal Testing Machine. We have tensile testing machines. These instruments used to measure the strength of various civil engineering material, which is utilized in construction or other projects.
I have learned the value of teamwork and shaping projects that benefit communities.
After completion of civil engineering program, a student may even become contractor, even go for some sort of private job, even they may establish their own firm, and they can go for government job like APPSC, like APSSB, even they may go for IES, Engineering Service Examination, UPSC, and so on. As of now, lots of our students are already working as a junior engineer as well as assistant engineer in various departments in government of Arunachal Pradesh. Thank you.
Welcome to Civil Engineering Department of 𝐂𝐢𝐯𝐢.